Is that a car? Is that a car? Oh, do you want him to go down the slide? Here. We put him right here. Right there. And then push the button. Now push it. Here, I think it's one at a time. You push it. Push the button. Here. You got it. Yeah. Whoops. Oh, do you want to do it again? Should we do it again? Yeah, let's do it again. Whee! That is awesome. Whoa. Okay, good. Well, we're going to have hours of fun out of this. So, thank you again. He loves it. Push, push, push. Push, push. You almost got it. Whee! Woo! So exciting. He's got to dance on his way back to it.